friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little friends, I hope you all are doing good and in good health. And welcoming you all to a new series and a new topic for the day. As the summer holiday has been started, we know, in many parts, and so our summer fun as well has started. Now is the time to enjoy summer with our summer season drawing series. Today we will have fun with summer season drawing part 1, Tropical Delight. So while we color this, let's know some fun facts about summer season. Fact number 1, the first day of summer falls between like June 20th and June 22nd every year. The first day of the summer is called the summer solstice, and the day varies due to Earth's rotation, not exactly reflecting our calendar year. Fact number 2, watermelon is one of the summer's best summer treats. Do you know that watermelons are not a fruit? Yes, we eat it as a fruit, but it's not a fruit. Watermelon falls in the family of vegetables as the cucumber falls. Yes. Fact number 3. So we all love having ice creams. We all love to have ice cream treats in the summer, right? So the summer season should be your favorite if you love ice cream. And the fun thing is, July is the National Ice Cream Month. Yes. Fact number 4. The longest day of the year is on the summer solstice. Fact number 5. Ice pops, like we were talking that we all eat ice creams in the summer season. So ice pops were invented by an 11-year-old boy in 1905. Fun, yeah? Fact number 6. During summer, in North and South Pole areas have constant sunlight even at the midnight because the sun doesn't set there. Fact number 7. Did you know that on a hot day in Paris, in the summer, in a hot day in the summer season, in the Paris, the Eiffel Tower grows taller? Yes, the mystery behind this is that the tower is constructed from iron, and when this is warmed, it expands, causing the structure to grow up by up to 17 centimeters. Fact number 8. One of the best juices to beat the summer heat is cucumber and mint detox drink. Fact number 9. Mango is known to be the king of summer fruit. We all love mango, and we know that mango comes in this fruit comes in the summer season, and it is called as the king of summer fruits. Fact number 10. We have been advised to take a lot of water and juices in the summer time. So related to that, tender coconut water is a great cute friends, this was all the 10 fun facts for the day on summer season drawing, Tropical Delight. Now let's enjoy the drawing and let's say hello summer. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.